We are again here with the story of one of the war hero, whose name is Major Shaitan Singh, Paramveer Chakra. He's a renowned name of Indian Army, a martyr, the one who made 120 soldiers to fought against 3000 and actually stopped 3000 soldiers to move a step forward. Let us know about him. Major Shaitan Singh was born on December 1st, 1924 in Jodhpur in Rajasthan. He was the son of Lieutenant Colonel Hem Singh Bhatti. The name of Shaitan Singh, the full name is Major Shaitan Singh Bhatti. Major Shaitan Singh was commanded a company of an infantry battalion deployed in Rozangla in the Kashlu sector at the height of 17,000 feet. Before moving forward, let me tell you that the highest war field in which any army is deployed is in India, and the Indian army is deployed at the highest point. It is 22 to 23,000 feet from ocean level. Moving forward in the story, the locality was isolated from many defended sectors and consisted of five platoon defend positions. On 18 November 1962, the Chinese forces subjected the company position to heavy artillery, mortar, and small arm fire and attacked it. Troop beat bricks successfully. Waves of enemy attacked. During the action, Major Somnath Shaitan Singh dominated the scene and operation and moved a great personal risk from one platoon post to another, sustaining the morale of his hard preserved platoon post. While doing so, he was seriously wounded but continued to encourage and lead his men whole, following his bravery example. Fought gallantly and inflicting heavy casualties on the enemy. For every man lost to us, the enemy and inflicted heavy casualties. Last 4 or 5. When Major Shaitan Singh felt disobeyed by a wound in his arms and abdomen, his men tried to evacuate him out, but they came under heavy machine gun fire. Major Shaitan Singh then ordered his men to leave him to his fate in order to save their lives. They placed him behind a boulder in the slope of a hill as ordered. The Chinese announced an unaltered unilateral ceasefire in November 21, 1962. In his action, 109 Kumaunis out of total 123 were killed. Of the 14 survivors, 9 were severely injured. The Chinese suffered more than 1,000 casualties. After the war was over, the body of Major Shaitan was found in some place, dead from the bullet wound and freezing cold. It was followed the Jodhpur and cremation with full military honor. Major Singh was awarded Paramveer Chakra, the highest wartime gallantry medal, posthumously for his leadership and devotion of duty. We are having such great heroes in our Indian Army, the source of motivation, the source of honor, and the face of leadership. Although I know some more stories about Major Shaitan Singh Bhati, Paramveer Chakra, posted in the Jat regiment in 17,000 feet. He used to train his troops on a regular basis to fight the high war zone. He have made several missions to evacuate the people out of the villages in the place of Rosangla for their safety. Also, he was awarded Paramveer Chakra. He was from Jodhpur, from a well-known family of Jodhpur, and at the high time of war, we can see that 3,000 soldiers were countering the 120 Indian soldiers like a wave. The wave formation is attacking someone with few troops, then sending more troops and repeating this manner of attack. So the enemy will become breath out, and after a lot of after a little time he will become restless, and it will become an easy target to you. This is known as the wave formation. The story I know about him is his bodies, the bodies of all the soldiers, all the troops of Pakistan, China, were actually buried under the snow. And when the remaining 14 soldiers were the remaining 14 soldiers who have reported to the headquarters in the battalion, everyone asked about the platoon, like where is the platoon? If the fight have happened, then we would have find people who have martyred there. And till 3 months, or more than 3 months, when the bodies were buried in the snow, they were actually left uh, without any evidence like any war was happened here. But when the snow have melted, the army get to know the bravery of those 120 soldiers who fought martyred in the war and did not let the Chinese to fetch an inch of our Indian land.